This is another recipe from me and Tesco to really try and help you guys get more veg into your diet. It's quick, it's easy, it's sweet peas, courgette, parmesan and mint and torn fresh sheets of lasagna. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna start off with 2 cloves of garlic. Just finely slice it. So this is a real quickie. I've got a pan on a medium heat and I've got a pan with some boiling water. I'm just gonna go in with the oil and straight in with the garlic. That'll come up to temperature and start to fry. Now, peas and parmesan and courgettes love a little chili. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. You don't want it to be hot. You know, you want it to be nice and gentle, but just a little bit will make all the difference. Now, courgette, what I want to do is just take the knife, split it down the middle into lengths, then put them on the flat side, and then we can practice our chopping. And of course, the finer you go, the quicker they'll cook. So let's get all of those courgettes in. So give them a little pinch of salt and pepper, a nice little stir up like this. And I cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes on a medium-high heat, stirring regularly until soft and tender. And then I've got a brilliant little trick to give you a truly unique pasta. So this is fresh lasagna sheets. Normally used for lasagna, of course, but not today. We're gonna start to tear it and rip it, and it doesn't matter how you do it, rough, ready. You want it to be odd and even. It gives you the most fantastically rustic finished result. Because this is fresh pasta, it cooks in like 2 minutes. So if you're busy and you like good food, this could be the perfect midweek meal for you. And then because it's an egg pasta, it's really silky, it's elegant. It's just a great little dish. So there you go, all torn up, ready to go. The courgettes are looking very good. If they're soft and tender, then I'm happy. So season the water here, go in with the pasta, which only takes 2 minutes. So we'll just sprinkle it in so nothing sticks together. I'm gonna go also in with 160 grams of frozen peas. Of course you could use fresh peas, but frozen peas are amazing. So then get yourself some fresh parmesan and you want 50 grams finely grated. This is gonna give you an amazing flavor and also a really sort of simple, silky sauce. And then I wanna grab half a bunch of mint. So just take the leaves off the stalk. You can either tear it up or just very roughly chop it. Now fresh mint, chili, parmesan, peas, courgettes, they're all best mates. And with a little squeeze of lemon juice, absolutely delicious. And then just the juice of half a lemon. So there is a secret ingredient in this dish, and it's actually the starchy cooking water. So don't throw all the water away. What you want to do is get yourself a little mug like this, fill it up, and just put it to one side. So now, drain the pasta. We're gonna go straight in to the pan. Look how beautiful that lasagna is. So gorgeous, so elegant. Turn it off the heat. You wanna give it a nice little mix up. Just add a little bit of that starchy cooking water. And that's gonna help this be elegant and loose. You don't want this to be kind of claggy and heavy. It smells amazing. I'm just gonna put half of that parmesan in. So from that starchy water and the finely grated parmesan, what you're gonna get is a very natural, very light, silky sauce. Very simple, but delicious. So look at that, really beautiful. Right, let's serve this up. Look at that, it's soft and silky, and with the parmesan sauce and the greens, you've got all the good stuff, really, really nice. Little fine grating of parmesan on top, and maybe a couple more mint leaves. And that, my friends, is a very beautiful, simple, delicious pasta. Full of those flavors of summer and spring. You could halve the recipe for 2, you could double it for 8. It's really fun to do and brilliant for a bit of al fresco eating. So guys, let's have a little try. Let's grab a fork. It's really light and full of surprise. Look at that. Come on, let's get in there for some lasagna. Those lasagna sheets are really good, completely different to dried. It's so tasty. That tiny bit of chili really works. I think you'll impress people with that. Absolutely delicious. So look, if you go into Tesco, you'll see offers on loads and loads of veggies. Pick up the ingredients, get the recipe, and have a little cook up. I think you're gonna love it.